Yelindiwe santhola ngikulindile yelindiwe santhola ngikulindile yelindiwe santhola ngikulindile uwalindiwe santhola ngikulindile khumbulile santhola ngikulindile yelindiwe santhola ngikulindile.
I'm living the life, yeah, I'm making a life. You're my life, baby girl, you the vibe, catch a vibe, yeah. Ngithanda wena, baby girl, thanda usetlizo yam. I love you since day one, I knew you'd be the one. HD seeing the life, looking the life, yeah. Baby girl, not dress, I'm trying to stop a life, babe. Yeah, you're my everything, baby girl. Linde we, bone khoneni lagama, linde we. Ngicabanga wena, baby girl, yeah. Ekhoneni lagama, ngidla amaskopa sagama, yeah. Hey, White House, yeah. Ngibona wena ugqoke dress, hey, white, yeah, yeah. Linde we. Lindewe, isipasa sakama, Lindewe, yeah, Lindewe, 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 Lindewe.
Yeah, Lindiwe.
Oh,
Sawubona, igama lami Amahle.
ngiyajabula ukwazi Amahle, igama lami ngu-Ayanda.
Ngijabulela ukwazi Ayanda.
Ungapheka impahla zakho uzifake wardrobe-ini. Ufeel free kusekhaya lakho le.
Ngibonga umusa wakho.
And sizoshare nombed as well.
Oh, akunankinga.
I-wardrobe yakho nayo lapha ekhoneni.
Oh,
Feel free kusekhaya la.
ngiyabonga. Sawubona sisi. Ngiyaxolisa ukukuvusa ebusuku nakanje. Ngivuswa iphupho elibuhlungu kabi. Shuthi ngiphupha lo mntana lo ehlala naye la res afuna ukungibulala angihama. Angazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Mina ngiyasaba. Ngizokufonela ekuseni ke ngicuphe ukuthi kwenzakalani. Okay, sharp.
Ngithande ngoba ngibona i-future kuwe, ngithande ngoba ngibona mina nawe siyafera, mara wena ngathi ungithatha kancane, fila ngathi ngiyaforce, uhlezi u-etha as if you care, udlala ngemizwa yami, thanda tshela mina ufuna.
How Ayanda, attend my class today.
Amaklasi amazoqala ngo-12 kwamanje ngisarelaxile.
Oh, okay, ngikwenzele ukudla lapha ekitchen. Ngicela usheshe ukudla before kubanda.
Okay, ngiyabonga.
Okay, sharp, ngizokubona later.
Okay, sharp, hambe kahle.
Sure.
but I find a way to stay. Keep on doing things, but we never switch your lanes. Saw me on the street, now the rumors talking less. Do the imagination, then we put it on the screen. Getting shading head, but I find a way to stay. Keep on doing things, and you never switch your lane. Saw me on the street, now the rumors getting shading head, but I find a way to stay. Keep on doing things, and you never switch your lane. Saw me on the street, now the rumors talking less.
So girl, ever since ngifikile la asikatholi khathi ukuthi sikhulume nje as ama roommate. So amanda ungitshela ngelife yakho nje.
Impilo yami iyabhora mfethu.
Ngitshela ukuthi siyakhuluma as ama roommate.
Nginguthi manje ne like ever since ngilana ne bazali bami like abawazi bangivakashela bangicheck like ukuthi njani and manje like ngikhathile ukuhlala le ndawo eyiwani mina. Sengifuna like ipeace because manje sengifeel alone yabo. Ngisathola ukuphumula nje like ngifuna ukuphumula nje kahle kahle ngikhathele.
Hayi into ezikanje manzenzekazi empilweni. Ezinye izinto kumele ukuthi uzi-understand. Ngenzeka ukuthi like abazali bakho basanikeza isikhathi maybe basazuza nje bazokuchecka ngoba bazokubona.
Yes time.
Yeah, ungagive up for sure nje bazuza bazokubona.
Manje wena ngitshele ngeyakho ke.
Mina nje ngumuntu nje friendly, kind. Yeah. Just ngilana nje ngifuna ukwenza abazali bami babe proud ngami. Ngilana ngifuna ukufeza amaphupho wami because ngifuna ukuba udokotela yabo. Yeah, ngijabulisa umama nje yabo. Yeah,
Into enhle le.
yeah. So ngitshele indaba yokudla kwasekuseni. Gcina ungasakudlanga.
Ngivele ngaphelelwa appetite. Ngikhona ngalakho ukudla kuningi.
Okay, nyawo.
Chomi, we've been talking about boys, school, and everything else. Let's talk about something else, Chomi. Your roommate. There's something off go roommate wako, Chomi. Let me tell you something. Your roommate is very suspicious. She doesn't have friends. She doesn't have family members. Angazi, there's something off nje go roommate wako, Chomi.
I understand, like, I understand.
Hey, boy, Chomi, have she ever gone to shopping? Does she even eat? Like, since roommate wako wafika kule rest lena, I don't know what's going on. Ingani ziya. Like, since wafika and everyone is talking about her kuma corridors, something is very suspicious. And mina ngiyamsaba.
How kanjani? Because like give me nice, ukhuluma nami kahle, friendly, and angiboni mix wrong ngayo.
Asiziyeke nje indaba zabantu but uzothi ngangishilo.
Ngithande ngoba ngibona ifuture kuwe. Ngithande ngoba ngibona mina nawe siyafera.
Yes, Amahle is taking time. Sengize ngilambile mina manje.
Ithi ngwenzile ijuice. Yeah, izoba right now.
Yeah, izoba right. Ngiyabonga.
Okay.
Lengubo ufunani la? Ekabani futhi wena lengubo?
Hi Rumi.